Alright, I showed y'all this knot before. This is the clinch knot, or the new and improved clinch knot, but this might be a little easier for some of y'all. What you do, you pass it through the eye, and instead of wrapping the tag in around a bunch of times, all you gotta do is stick your finger here and just wrap it like this. It might be a little easier. And then you can just come down here and do like on the other video, just pass it through here. Now this way would be the regular clinch knot, but you come back through the loop here, and this is the new and improved clinch knot. I find it holds a little bit better. I'll put a link up here somewhere for the other one, but some of y'all may find that easier instead of trying to wrap that tag around 6 times and all that. And of course you cut your tag off. All right, thanks for watching.